what's up guys, today we're going to be coding a Discord bot. So last video we created this bot called the Slummy Devs tutorial bot. It just says hello, I'm a tutorial bot when you say .hi. So we're going to be creating some more commands. So yep. Now let's just add a command. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a Alright, so I'll teach you guys how to make a clear command, or like purge command, like in the Dino bot. That's like a purge command kind of thing. So yep, as usual, client.command, and don't forget the parentheses. Async def clear ctx and that's the context, that's the command, and then the we're gonna be taking another output. So the other output is gonna be we're gonna call it the what should we call? We'll just call it the integer, the int, basically. Let's just do that. Next, and then int. So this command is basically gonna clear a bunch of messages. So to do that, we will have to actually, you know what, let's just set this to amount. So we have to we'll just set this to 5, because the default value is gonna be 5. If you don't type in a value, it's just gonna be 5. So yeah, so we'll have to type in. Alright, so we'll just type in ctx dot channel dot purge. So yeah, don't forget the parentheses. Then we'll just type in limit equals amount. Remember the variable we defined over here, that's the amount. So the limit, the amount of messages we're gonna clear, that's the limit. So we're gonna keep the limit's value to the amount variable value, so what we typed in that time. So of course, after we do that, we're gonna have to have an indicator to show that we've cleared that many commands. So we'll just do ctx.send cleared. Actually, I'll just create an f string. Cleared amount messages. Yep, let's just after we clear that, we're gonna say this, or you can just not say that actually, but for now to see that it works, we're just gonna do that. Alright, now let's just do clear. Yeah, look at that, it cleared 5 messages. So let's just do test. Yeah, basically that's enough. Now we'll just do clear 6 messages. So okay, wait a second, clear 7 messages. So yeah, it did that, but then it left out this message. Why? So that's because after you send that message, the clear command, so after you send that, after that it counts that as a a function, to like a call sign to start deleting a number of messages. As the it's doing that because after you do that, it's counting the message that you sent also to the what it's gonna clear. So to fix that, we'll just go back to the code, so that, and then we will just do limit amount plus 1, so it clears the what do you call the message that you sent to. So yeah, the bot is ready. Let's just go back to the bot commands. I have some DM here, I'll just ignore it for the time being. So let's just do send a bunch of messages. Yep, and then clear 6. Let's see what it'll do. It cleared 6 messages. Nice. So yep, that's it for today's video. See the next video. Yep, like and subscribe. I hope you have a nice day. Bye guys.